Now, our news team also visited St. Catherine, where vendors rolled out in their numbers. However, the 10 p.m. curfew saw law enforcement rolling out as well.
Despite the restrictions placed on Christmas Eve, some vendors in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, last night gave mixed views on sales and the curfew.
You know the COVID cramp everything. The COVID cramp everything. People are trying still. You understand? But the people that come out and them come out of the mask and them try. But it's not sufficient.
Today was not bad at all. Can't complain. Have to give God thanks.
Real good.
Right.
Everybody can sit and can eat food.
When it finally reached 10 p.m., our news team observed the police issuing warnings for people to get off the streets.
What is happening here? Why are these things still on the road? People, you're warned that you should be off the street from 10 p.m. It is after 10 p.m. now.
Should have comments already. Sundays be off.
The Prime Minister made it known about 2 weeks ago, 10 p.m. curfew time, and you people are still on the street. We need some compliance, please.
Some persons were detained briefly, but released after giving a plausible explanation for being out after the curfew. Police reported a 90% compliance with the Disaster Risk Management Act in the parish last night. Only 12 people were arrested for breaches of the act during raids in Linstead and Spanish Town, St. Catherine between last night and this morning. According to the police, 5 sound systems and an assortment of liquor were seized. An M16 rifle and 15 rounds of ammunition were found in an open lot in Greendale, Spanish Town. In another area, police had their work cut out for them when residents attending a party in Africa in the Marchpen Road area of Spanish Town used gravel to block one entrance to the community. When the police got to the other entrance, patrons had fled, leaving the food and liquor. No one was arrested. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.